What's up YouTube? We back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Eos R from Canon, mirrorless, and why you should or shouldn't be updating your gear in 2020. Stay tuned. So this is what we're doing. We're finna do a quick little shoot with my boy Ken right in the parking lot. We're finna try to make something happen, and welcome to the Dunlap Film Show. Let's get it. Okay. So I'm gonna be shooting with the Eos R, trying to get some cool shots. I got a few already of them. And we out here, this is what we're doing. Check this out. We got the car parked, listening to some old school, y'all know what I'm talking about.
I did top half, just trying to see how this AI focus. They like that.
So you do a different one? Shit. Like that was pretty cool. This camera keep going out. Go out again, I'm gonna flap it. It's got fresh to go to Chicken Express. Alright, I'm switching angles, and like I said, this is my first YouTube video for Dunlap Film, doing a shoot. So hopefully this works out, and I'm completely out of focus. How about now? It's attracting me now. It's too dark in there. Y'all can see him, but it works. So we're gonna keep going. Is that too much power? That might be. They probably can't even see us no more. Can y'all still see us? Can y'all still see us shooting this? Last one. The jam just came on, so you know what that means. We're finna get up out of here. Thanks for tuning in. Dunlap Films. I got some more videos coming. First one. Hope y'all enjoyed the show. And yeah, we're shooting on the Eos R today on the 35mm 1.8 RF, using the nice photo grid with the grid on it. 8200 as the flash. Hopefully y'all can hear me, because DMX is playing too loud. Bye. So, before it ends, comment below and tell me what you guys thought. Shooting on a Canon EOS R, coming from a 70D and 80D, and still having a business that was still making pretty good money. It doesn't really matter what you're shooting with, as long as you promote and people know that you actually have a business going on, and your quality and your editing is pretty good or great. You should still be able to survive. Updating cameras like the R5 and the R6, it makes a difference when you want a certain look or a certain style or a certain type of quality. It does look better, but is it a necessity in 2020? In my personal opinion, no. You can get the job done with either one of these cameras. Just have some know-how and know what you're doing. So comment below and let me know what y'all thought. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button as well. And until next time, Dunlap Films. We out of here.